Please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
In a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 345, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that when a Muslim visits another Muslim, for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, they will receive the blessings of Allah, the Exalted, and a house in paradise. This narration teaches Muslims that it is acceptable to visit other Muslims, such as going out with mates, as long as a Muslim behaves well, and does not commit sins. So when a Muslim visits another person, they should remember Allah, the Exalted, told Muslims to keep in contact with one another, and they should control their actions and speech, so that they do not harm anybody, such as lying, backbiting, or fighting. If they do this, then they will receive the reward mentioned in this narration. This shows that Islam does not teach Muslims to always go to the mosque, or only worship Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim can gain lots of reward, even when they go and visit their friends. Islam lets Muslims have fun, but as long as they do not commit sins through their words or actions,